Hello? Why are you so ugly? Kick me while I'm down, why don't you? Zoe cheated on you because you're ugly. And because I suck in bed, apparently. But mostly because you're ugly. You're deformed. You must have gotten crushed in the womb. Oh, you look like you were dropped as a baby. I was, a few times. And you have a mustache. All girls have a little mustache. No, they don't. They don't? Just you. Because you're ugly. Oh. If I had to weight you on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give you a -3 million. I'm at least a 5. Even if you lived on an island, completely alone, you still wouldn't be the prettiest person on the island. I know. She's waiting for you. Go. Who? God? She's a woman? No. Satan. In that case, I'll take a Wayne check. Call me ugly some more. Okay. I'm going.